Hey there everybody, I hope everybody's doing well. In today's video I did some cinnamon coat sweet potatoes for you. If you'd seen my video I just done with the cinnamon coat apples, the thought had come to me that the pairing of the sweet potatoes and that cinnamon coat would go well together too, so I figured I'd give it a try. So I started out with my 3 mid-size or small sweet potatoes, you could say. Washed them off, and once I had them washed, I started peeling them and got them peeled, and then I started slicing them, and I sliced them in about 1/4 inch size, I'd say, pieces, and get them, and then just small little this size, and then I put it in my cast iron skillet with some butter, the cinnamon coat, Golden Eagle, and if you don't have Golden Eagle you can use honey, and then some cinnamon, and then I just started cooking that off slowly, and I'd say I probably used close to about 10 ounces of the can. I almost used a whole can. It was a 12 ounce size can, and then I just slowly cooked that and let it reduce down and let my sweet potatoes get soft. And I'll make sure to have the list of the ingredients and everything down below so you know what all went into it. But like I said, I did the butter, cinnamon, Golden Eagle, and then the Coke, and just slowly let it cook and let it reduce down and my sweet potatoes get soft. And once I'd cooked it and got my sweet potatoes soft, I did a pecan topping on it, and it was just butter, brown sugar, vanilla, and then the pecans, and then I put that on top, and then I put it in the oven at 350 for 15 minutes so I could get the pecans kind of candied and cook through, and then I let it cool and eat, and that's pretty much it with it. And it turned out really well. So cinnamon coke, I'm finding, is a good one, good pairing with some things, especially the apples and the sweet potatoes. And I eventually might find something else, you never know. But anyways, I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.